Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to Ocean Adventure. And for the go, late upload lang po ito. First, we pass by the souvenir shop. Sa oras pong yan, gigutom na po kami. Habang close pa po yung aquarium, hanap po na po kami canteen para eat ng breakfast. After po ng breakfast, may nakita po akong dolphin. Cute-cute ng dolphin. Gusto ko siya hihawak. Well, we're waiting for dolphin show. Lakad-lakad po kami, picture-picture. And nakita po namin si mascot dolphin at nagpicture po kami. Start na po ng dolphin show. Kahit mainit, excited po ako. V and Enzo and Valentina and Sam. Name po ng mga dolphin yun. After ng show, picture-picture po na kami sa dolphin. Takot po ako konti. Alam ko po, bibait ako ng dolphin. Pero bait naman sila. Next po, Sea Lion show. Madaming po na paliguan si Sea Lion. Kahit po nabasa sila, super enjoy naman po sila. Lunchtime na po, sarap ng foods. Third itinerary, wild animals. Meron pong musang, Philippine eagle, fruit bat na nagniwi, mga friendly dogs, and many more. Very good po yung mga animals. Enjoy po ko sa wild animal show. Silip po namin Sea Lion dahil maaga pa po. Nood po ulit kami ng dolphin show. Last na po itong aquarium. Konti lang po yung mga fish. Yan, lamig-lamig po dito. Ay, lobster, yummy. That's it for today's video. Thank you my titas at toto for this birthday treat. Thank you Papa Jesus. Next time again, bye mo.